It's normal to feel intimidated at the gym, and by default, you might run to the treadmill to do your cardio. But cardio takes care of the heart and the lungs. It's really important that you strength train. And I'm your coach Shay. Today I'll be going over 3 exercises to help you on your beginner strength training. So the first movement pattern is a push. You want to make sure that your core is braced, your hips are underneath your shoulders. You're going to grab a light pair of dumbbells, but something that's still challenging. We're going into a shoulder press, which is just like putting something at the top of the shelf. You're going to inhale at the shoulders, exhale, push to the top, keeping your core nice and braced. So the next one is a pull pattern. I still want you to think about keeping your core braced, and we're gonna use a bench for assistance. With pull, I want you to think about lifting or pulling a bag, like your grocery bag, for example. You're gonna place your right knee on the bench so that we can do a left pull. You're gonna give me a bend over, arms long, elbow is gonna stay close to the body, and we're gonna pull the elbow up towards the sky. 1 second hold up top. Inhale down, exhale, pull. Finally, we have a hinge pattern movement. I want you to think of the hinge as one way to get down to the ground and then back up, kind of like tying your shoelace. So I'm gonna show you the deadlift. With the deadlift, you're going to keep soft knees, shoulders back, and we're gonna lock them there. During that hinge, the upper body comes over the hips, towards the feet, arms stay long and close to the body. You're gonna pull the upper body back to the top. Give me a push forward in the hips. Inhale down. Exhale, push. And just like that, you see, the gym doesn't have to be so scary. So make sure you give this video a like if you learned something new, and save it for your next gym workout. Again, I'm your coach Shay, and I'll see you on the gym floor.